Hi once again, YouTubers. Welcome to another toy unboxing review and my first toy car detailing. This time we will be reviewing the Welly Mitsubishi Pajero. Now, this Pajero is from Welly, and Welly is made in China. So the reason why I got this one is because I really like the real Pajero, and since Hot Wheels don't make Pajero and I don't have a Tomica Mitsubishi Pajero, I decided to try this one out from Welly. And also this one only cost 89 pesos, so that's less than $2. So let's crack this one open right now. So here's the car right now. You can see that despite being low priced, this still has some details. So it has front the headlight, the front headlight is painted silver, and it has moldings at the side, at the top, and also the front also has details. You can see the rear of the car. It also has moldings here. The rear headlight is painted also. The tire, it looks like rubber, but it is not. It is plastic but with threads. And the base has suspension details, so it even has exhaust details, and it also looks somewhat better than some Hot Wheels base. You can see here it's made in China, in the Welly brand, and the Mitsubishi Pajero. So overall it looks rather good. However, it is light, so that's maybe because of the cast that they use, the iron material, I mean. So car looks pretty good, and also the rims look quite good. It even is better looking than some Hot Wheels. Here you can have another look of the car. So the interior also has details. The steering wheel, here the front windshield, it has a Tomica style mirror here. So have another look of the car, and still looks really good. And even the rear reserve wheel cover looks pretty nice. So let's start with I'll start with the detailing of the car right now. And by the way, this is my first attempt to detail a car. So I'll be using this Sharpie. So let's start off with the detailing of the car. So this time I'll just be detailing the outlines of the car using a black Sharpie. So this is my first time, so kindly bear with me. Again, we'll start with the outlines. So let's start with the outlines of the door. So let's go to the top of the car right now. So here, let's detail here. So since this car is already dark in color, you can't really notice that much the outlines of the car, but it does show and really improve the look of the car. So let's do the hood. And the other door will also detail, of course. Again, this is my first time, so I'll do it slowly. So let's detail the fender of the car. So there's some spots, but I will remove that later. Again, so I've noticed that if you keep your hands light on applying the Sharpie to the car, you'll do a better job. So I guess that's... Oh, so the rear also needs some detailing. Again, just keeping your hands light will do a better job on detailing the car. So that's it for the detailing of the car. So I'll post some slideshows for you to have a better look of the car. And by the way, please like and subscribe if you like my videos, and I'll be posting videos daily. So once again, please like and subscribe, comment down below what you'd like to see, and thank you. Keep on collecting, and God bless. Thank you all. Bye.